The Kargicak area in Alanya, Turkey is known for its premium lifestyle, offering residents and visitors the ultimate luxury and comfort. With its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, the area is a highly sought-after destination for those looking for a high-end living experience. New and exciting real estate developments are being built in the Kargicak area, offering the latest in contemporary design and state-of-the-art amenities. These properties range from sleek, modern apartments to spacious villas with private pools and breathtaking views. Each property is crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail, ensuring that residents can enjoy the very best in luxury living. The Kargicak area is also home to a variety of high-end shops, restaurants, and entertainment options, allowing residents to enjoy all the conveniences of city living while surrounded by the stunning beauty of the Mediterranean coastline. Whether you are looking for a quiet and relaxing escape or an exciting and vibrant lifestyle, the Kargicak area in Alanya is the perfect place to call home. Welcome to SOHO Avenue, a new and exciting residential complex in the heart of the prestigious Kargicak area in Alanya. With construction starting on April 30, 2022, and expected to be completed by November 30, 2023, now is the perfect time to invest in your dream home. And with an interest-free installment option until construction is finished, and only a 30% down payment required, it's easier than ever to make your dream a reality. Located just 200 meters from the stunning Perle beach and within walking distance to shops, cafes, and restaurants, SOHO Avenue offers the perfect blend of coastal living and urban convenience. And with the Mamutla area just 500 meters away, you'll have everything you need right at your doorstep. The SOHO complex boasts excellent infrastructure, with its own outdoor and indoor swimming pools, a relaxation area with sunbeds, gym, sauna, steam room, and billiards, all in the signature style of SOHO projects. And with a lobby, children's outdoor pool, indoor heated pool, Pilates and yoga room, and parking, you'll have everything you need to live the ultimate premium lifestyle. The apartments at SOHO Avenue are designed with your comfort in mind. With steel front doors, complete cleaning of the premises, and a sleek design in light and grey colors, you'll love coming home. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops and sanitary ware, while the bathrooms come with a complete set of furniture and sanitary ware. And with instantaneous water heaters and ceiling heights of 3.30 meters, you'll never want to leave. The flooring in the living room and bathrooms is ceramic and granite, while the bedrooms feature a cozy laminate finish. Experience the best in luxury coastal living at SOHO Avenue. Don't wait any longer to make your dream a reality. Invest in your future and experience the best in premium coastal living at SOHO Avenue. With construction starting soon and an interest-free installment option, now is the perfect time to take advantage of this opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and take the first step towards your dream home.